It's Srikumar Week here at Mindvalley, and I wanted to introduce some of Srikumar's wisdom in really quick, concise 2-minute videos. These are powerful ideas that you can apply in your life starting today. Now, one of the things which I found most beneficial that I learned from Srikumar Rao is this simple habit of what you need to do before going to bed every night. See, most of us, when we get out of work or we are commuting home or before going to bed, we tend to think about the minor frustrations of the day. What if we flip this around? This is Rao's advice.
We spend way too much of our emotional energy on the 2, 3 or 4 things that are wrong in our lives. More precisely on the 2, 3 or 4 things that we have arbitrarily decided are wrong in our lives, and completely ignoring the 20, 30, 40, 200 things which are pretty good in our lives. If you're watching this video, the odds are pretty good. You don't have to think about whether or not you will have lunch tomorrow. You have a roof over your head, a bed to sleep in. These are all big issues in much of the world. Yet we ignore all of this and feel put upon. We recognize intellectually that we are highly privileged, but we don't feel highly privileged. We can flip this around. What I would like you to do is every day, before you go to bed, think of the many things in your life that are good, that are pretty damn good. Pour your emotional energy into that. Feel the gratitude. This is not an intellectual exercise, so you can't make a checklist and go good health, check, food to eat, check, roof overhead, check. You have to actually feel the gratitude for the immense number of things that are very, very, very good in your life. Then and only then should you go to bed. When you get up in the morning, don't go immediately to the space of, oh my God, there's too much to do and I don't have enough time to do it all. Bring back that feeling of gratitude and rest in it. Eventually, you want to get to the point where your default emotional domain is appreciation and gratitude. Then you don't have to seek to be happy. Happiness will exude from you like fragrance from a flower.
If you like that tip, stay tuned because I'm inviting you to attend a full 1-hour masterclass completely free with me and Rao, where we're going to go deep in even more beautiful ideas from this legendary teacher in America's business schools.